Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure buffer for recurring LinkedIn updates step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Buffer website. Log into your Buffer account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, locate the option to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the LinkedIn icon to start the connection process. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your LinkedIn profile. After connecting, return to the Buffer dashboard. Select the account where you want to post your updates. Click on the Content tab to begin scheduling your posts. To create a recurring update, click on Schedule Post. Compose your LinkedIn message in the provided text box. Next, choose the date and time for your initial post. Look for the option to set your post to repeat or recur. Select the frequency of the recurrence, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the duration of the recurring posts if needed. Review your post and settings to ensure everything is correct. When satisfied, click the Schedule button to finalize your recurring update. Monitor your Buffer calendar to see your scheduled LinkedIn posts. Feel free to adjust or delete any scheduled posts as necessary. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Buffer for recurring LinkedIn updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.